Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. So let's get right into this weekly outlook. Go ahead and smash that like button. Happy New Year's, and let's have a good year. So looking at GU on a daily, I can see that GU is pushing up right now, and I think the draw right now, if you go to the weekly, is this fair value gap resting right here. So this high and the bottom of this wick. So I'm looking for price to come into this fair value gap and then show me what price. I want to see what price does inside of this fair value gap before, you know, before I kind of like guess where price might go. You know what I mean? So right now, my draw. Okay, I still think we could push lower. I still think we could push lower into this FVG down here under this low right here, which this low is like kind of like low resistant with this low. I want to see price kind of like get down there and then maybe come into this bullish order block and this this weekly bullish order block in this fair value gap to push up. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I want to see. So what I would like to see is for this monthly up candle to hold. So I would like to see this month, since this is a new week, this is a new start of the month. I would like to see the month come up, have a Judah swing up, and then print bearish for the rest of the month. Okay, so maybe this week it might be bullish. No, actually, yeah, maybe this week we could see a run up here with this candle and then maybe print bearish or close above here. Maybe we might have a bullish week. I don't know, because the monthly could come into here and then close bearish. So Judah swing up, the monthly candle might be like its Judah swing might be maybe just a week. You know what I mean? A week of bullishness and then start printing bearishness for the rest of the weeks. But I do want to see this fair value gap hold. I think that is the current draw. Later, this could be another later objective once I see price push lower. But right now, this is the objective inside of there. Now, when you look inside of here, you can see that it has a bearish order block, daily order block inside with this fair value gap. This blue zone area right here is just a refinement to the 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, to the 4 hour order block. So this last up candle before the down move, it's just a refinement. But mostly just paying attention to this fair value gap. If price pushes into here, I would like to see some type of reaction to show me that it's bearish, and then I'll start hunting sells to go lower. But right now I'm bullish. I'm not going to call the market bearish right now. You can see on that hourly time frame that you have this down candle before the up move that took out liquidity here, that came into this bullish order block here. And then if price does want to come down, I want to see it at least come below this low before I start looking for buys, because I'm not going to buy where it's at right now. If you want to get a little bit more confluence, the 62% right here, OTE is right in here to 79 is right in here. So I would like to see, price get into this area of discount before I start seeing a price push higher. So here and then higher. All right, let's go to EU. So looking at EU right now, let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so with EU, same with GU, how I think I want to see bearish objectives long term for price to come down here. I don't think this is the low that's gonna stick. Short term bias is coming from this low, but I don't really think this low is gonna stick. I want to see us get down to this monthly order block open. If you look at the monthly, you can see that the monthly candle is right here open. You do have a fair value gap right here, as you can see if we zoom in. Let me squinch this a little bit. So if we zoom in here, you can see how we didn't come into the fair value gap. We created kind of relative equal lows right here. So I do want to see price maybe come down. I don't see this up candle holding. Maybe we can print up and then start printing bearish for this monthly candle. Daily come up. The reason why I have this red zone marked up here, you can see like this is just a inefficiency, right? This is just a SIBI, but inside of the SIBI I was looking for some type of confluence to take sells that to where I think price can stop, and you can see how you have this hidden base right here, on a lower time frame. It's just a order block. So let's go to zoom out a little bit, so you can see how you have this little redistribution right here. Here's the up candle before the down move. That's all that is. I just want to see what price does in that area. Rate these highs that's been built up right here. Oh my god. Yeah, rate these highs that's been built up right here, come into this area right here, and then sell off. So I would like to see price come into here and then sell off from there, and then maybe print lower, take out this low resistance liquidity that's been built up off of this bullish order block in here. You can see how many times we played in this area, and then we started moving up, and then yeah, and then we could come into that fair value gap once we take out these lows here. Right now I don't have any lower time frame areas that I would like to play in. I would want to see this high get stopped out, get taken out, and then maybe I would like to see like my model be created somewhere. If I was to like guess to figure out where I would want to buy at, I don't know, maybe under these lows right here, and for it to come into a discount. I really don't know. I'm not touching EU like that until I get more data, until we rate these highs or until we rate these lows. All right, but let's go to US 30. Looking at US 30, you can see that we're at a premium right now. We're at a premium. From this low to this high, we made a new high. I would want to see us get back down to this bullish order block here, or somewhere inside of this up candle with a fair value gap. You can see how you have this hidden base right inside of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw that out for you guys real quick. So you have this hidden base right here, but at the same time, it's not in a good discount right in this area, and we just ran out highs, so we could come all the way into a discount. I was looking at this area to sell at, but you can see how price already came into it. I had this marked out right here. You can see price came into this bullish bearish order block right here. I didn't see this as a high that was gonna stay, and you can see we did run that, and now we might come lower. I don't know if this high is gonna hold. It might hold, because this is a very keen area. We could start coming lower. Looking at it right now, it didn't give me any. Okay, actually it kind of did. So you can see right now this isn't in kill zone times, so I don't know how probable this might be, but you can see how we have this down candle, made a up move, we broke lower, and then you see that we have some liquidity resting under these lows right here. That's the objective right now. So this 15-minute up candle, you will want to see this hold if you want to be bearish. If it does come higher, then you know that we're coming up into this up candle right here. So this is what's first on the menu, and then after this, higher PD arrays would be the focus. And then we can see what happens. I want to see us all this low resistance liquidity being built up, trend line liquidity, support, get ran out, and come lower, because we're at a premium. So I would like to see us come lower. Okay, maybe into this order block, this hidden base basically, which is lined up with a breaker, right? If we get through this, I would like to see us get down to the daily bullish order block right here. If we get through this area and we don't push higher, okay. US 100, US 100 came up. Yeah, it came all the way back up. Oh, let me see. 1 hour. So US 100, I am looking at this area to sell at. I want to see what price does into here, and then maybe this area in here to sell out in here. This is the highest I would sell. So if you want to get in like swings, this is the highest that I would like put, like if I was to put like a sell limit for swings, I would put it in here. The way I do my sell limits, I break up my positions, right? I don't go full risk on sell limits anymore. I do you know, a lower lot size, and then once I get confirmation, I'll scale in the rest of my position to go lower. But looking at this, I would like to see price come into this 4-hour bearish order block right here. Okay, if we go through that, then this is what's next on the menu. Okay, to push lower, and the draw on liquidity for me would be to fill in some of this inefficiency inside of here. 50% of this swing from this high to low would be right here. So yeah, this would be like my target, my current draw to get into. Once price gets into here, I want to see what price does. Maybe we start coming lower, coming to this this bullish order block right here. Let's go to the weekly real quick, kind of scale out, see what price is doing. We could possibly even take out these lows right here and come all the way down to this weekly order block. This is NAS, so you don't really see deep retracements like this. You know what I mean? You just see it go you know, go higher. So I really don't know. You know what I mean? I don't trade NAS like that, but I do study it a lot, and I have taken some trades that's actually been some dubs off of this. So you know, price action is price action, even though some pairs have different, you know, behavior. So you know what I mean? Liquidity is liquidity at the end of the day. So yeah, let's go to gold, and this will be the last one. Gold, I want to see gold push into this weekly bearish order block, maybe possibly get up into there. Right now I'm bullish until we get into there. You can't say we're not bearish. I mean, we're not bullish right now. Now for an area to buy at, it would be best to buy down here, but you might not get that retracement all the way down here to get up into this draw. So I'm looking at this area right now. Now this isn't the best PD array, like I said. Down here would be nice for gold to come into and possibly buy back up. I wouldn't take no buy limit under this low though, because that's not in my plan, you know what I mean? But once we come into here, maybe give my model, then I'll start looking for buys. But right here, I'm also looking for buys here, you know what I mean, to push up into that draw, right? Because when you're super bullish, you don't really come into discounts like that. So maybe this weekly candle can just come down a bit, make a Judas swing, and then print up and get up into here for this week. It is NFP, right? I think it's NFP. I'll check the news after, but yeah, it should be NFP this week. So you know, and then it's the first week of the new year, so it might be kind of iffy this week too. Next week should be very clean, but you know, we might get some clean moves for this week too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and smack it. Go ahead right now. Thank you, I appreciate that. And share the video if you want to. Actually, forget if you want to, not share this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your new year, and you know, let's kill it this year. So have a good night, good day wherever you're at, and peace. See you guys in the next one. I'm out.